Just what holds the that on there.
So that is the TD6 back to life. It's obviously a bit louder than it should be. There's a boost problem somewhere. It took a bit of getting going. We put the jump pack on it. We've had the battery off and put it on charge using the C-Tech charger. That's reconditioned the battery. Battery was sitting at a steady 12.7 volts when we measured it, and it was the negative terminal's not tightening down. But I couldn't really get to it where the car was, so the Hobbit was just doing it, messing about. Anyway, we've got it running. We put the jump leads from the TD-V8 onto it and just had to keep cranking it. To start with, it was like there was no compression, so I'm thinking that all the oil had drained out of, I'm assuming it's got hydraulic lifters. Quite often the case, oil runs out of them and it loses a bit of compression. So obviously you've got to keep cranking and cranking. It builds up the pressure and you get compression. I did have to use a squirt or two of Start You Bastard. Never have to do normally with that car, but I think for whatever reason it just needed that little bit of extra help just to get it started. I mean, it's been sat there for, I don't know, Christ knows when we parked it up. It's been a while. Anyway, it's back to life. The Hobbit's going to go and park it up and put it on charge. We've got a few little things to do. Have a look at it. I wanted to pump a tyre up, but it's got those bloody stupid dust caps on the valves, like the aluminium ones, and they, of course, they get the weather on them and they just corrode and they seize up and you can't get them off. So I've given it a really good squirt of WD-40, hoping that that's going to work in. But when the weather's a bit nice, it's been absolutely siling it down with rain for days here. We've had a little bit of a break in the rain, so that's why we popped out to get this done. But yeah, the TD6 lives. It's all back together. I did have to take the air filter off a little bit just to get some Start You Bastard squirted into there. So we'll get all that button back up, and hopefully we can get it moved on to its new home. Anyway, I shall keep you updated with the TD6. I know a lot of you sort of like the TD6 and bits and pieces that we do with it, but it's coming to a bit of an end of an era for that car in our possession, hopefully. If this chap doesn't want it, then I'll put it up for sale elsewhere. But yeah, it's a shame, but we can't have all these motors sitting around doing nothing. As I said in a previous video, the TD-V8 is going to be the new project wagon. So that's it for this video. I will keep you up to date with what happens with the TD6 and any little jobs that we're going to do on it. I'll make some little clips of that and maybe put it all together in one video at the end, I suppose. We'll see what happens. Anyway, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.